Due to continuous rainfall, the Kopili-Amreng river overflow to the neighboring villages, damaging their properties, affecting their livelihood, resulting displacement from their houses. Here is a report. The road connecting Jirikindeng and Keroni was also badly affected due to flood, making the road inconvenient for the vehicles to pass through. Some of the villages hit by the flood were Keroni Das Basti, Keroni Nepali Basti, Arnam Teplong, Harlong Abi and adjacent areas. The most affected village was Keroni Das Basti. It is reported that the villagers of Das Basti were compelled to take refuge along with their livestock at Keroni High School since 16th of June. So far, no any aid from the government had been provided to the refugees, but certainly they had received some basic commodities like rice, grain, dal, oil and vegetables from local leaders. Mohan Teron's report from Keroni, Karbi Anglong Live.